Craving a delicious and healthy stir-fry? Look no further than cauliflower rice. This low-carb alternative to traditional rice is a real game-changer. Made with simple ingredients, cauliflower rice stir-fry is quick, satisfying, and bursting with nutrients. Get ready for a vibrant and flavorful meal that will nourish your body and tantalize your taste buds. This recipe is perfect if you're watching your carbs or simply seeking a lighter option. Cauliflower rice is naturally gluten-free, making it suitable for various dietary needs. Packed with colorful vegetables and savory sauces, this dish is a feast for the eyes as well. Let's dive into the world of cauliflower rice stir-fry and discover its culinary magic. Traditional rice has been a staple in many cultures for centuries. However, with the rise of health-conscious eating, people are seeking healthier alternatives. Enter cauliflower rice, a revolutionary ingredient transforming how we enjoy our favorite dishes. Made from grated or finely chopped cauliflower florets, cauliflower rice mimics the texture and versatility of rice while offering a nutritional advantage. Its neutral flavor makes it an excellent base for absorbing the flavors of sauces and spices, creating endless possibilities in the kitchen. Whether you're following a low-carb, keto, or paleo diet, or simply want to incorporate more vegetables into your meals, cauliflower rice is a versatile and delicious option. It's time to embrace this culinary innovation and discover a whole new world of flavor. Transforming cauliflower into rice is surprisingly easy and requires minimal effort. Start by removing the outer leaves and tough stem from a head of cauliflower. Cut the cauliflower into florets, ensuring they are roughly the same size. You can grate the florets using a box grater's largest holes for a coarser texture. Alternatively, pulse the florets in a food processor until they resemble rice grains. Be careful not to over-process, or you'll end up with cauliflower puree. Once you have your cauliflower rice, spread it on a clean kitchen towel and squeeze out any excess moisture. This step will prevent your stir-fry from becoming watery. Now, you're ready to move on to the exciting part, stir-frying. Stir-frying is a quick and healthy cooking technique that has been used for centuries in various cultures around the world. This method not only preserves the nutrients and flavors of your ingredients, but also brings out their natural colors and textures, making your dish visually appealing. The key to a successful stir-fry is using high heat and constantly tossing the ingredients to ensure even cooking. This helps to prevent burning and ensures that each piece is cooked to perfection. Before you begin, ensure all your ingredients are prepped and ready to go. This includes washing, peeling, and chopping your vegetables, as well as measuring out any sauces or seasonings you plan to use. Heat a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat and add a small amount of oil. The type of oil you use can affect the flavor of your dish, so choose one with a high smoke point, like peanut or vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, add your aromatics such as garlic and ginger, which will infuse the oil with their flavors. Stir-fry for about 30 seconds until fragrant, being careful not to let them burn, as this can make your dish taste bitter. Next, add your vegetables, starting with those that take longer to cook, like carrots and broccoli. These vegetables need more time to become tender. Finish with quicker cooking vegetables like peas and peppers, which only need a few minutes to cook through. Keep the ingredients moving by tossing them constantly with a spatula. This ensures that everything cooks evenly and nothing sticks to the bottom of the wok. Alternatively, you can toss them in the wok by giving it a quick, controlled shake. This technique takes some practice, but can be very effective in achieving an even stir-fry. Section 5. The nutritional powerhouse, unveiling the benefits. Beyond its culinary versatility, cauliflower rice is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's naturally low in calories, carbohydrates, and fat, making it an excellent choice for weight management. Cauliflower is a good source of fiber, which aids digestion, promotes satiety, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. It's also rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that boosts immunity and protects against cell damage. Furthermore, cauliflower rice contains vitamin K, essential for blood clotting and bone health, and vitamin B6, crucial for brain function and metabolism. Incorporating cauliflower rice into your diet is a delicious way to enhance your overall health and well-being. Section 6. Gathering your culinary arsenal ingredients. Before we embark on our stir-fry adventure, let's gather the necessary ingredients. 1 large head of cauliflower, riced, which should be about 4 cups. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. A 1-inch piece of ginger, minced. 1 cup of mixed vegetables such as carrots, broccoli, peppers, and peas. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce or tamari. 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil. Optional. 2 eggs, scrambled, or half a block of firm tofu, cubed. These ingredients are just a starting point, and you can customize your stir-fry with your favorite vegetables and protein sources. Feel free to experiment with different sauces, spices, and toppings to create your unique culinary masterpiece. Section 7. Stir-Fry Symphony. Let the cooking commence. Today we embark on a culinary journey that will tantalize your taste buds and fill your kitchen with delightful aromas. Now that we have our ingredients prepped and ready, let's create a symphony of flavors in our wok. The key to a great stir-fry is having everything ready to go before you start cooking. First, heat the sesame oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. The oil should shimmer and be hot enough to start cooking immediately. Add the minced garlic and ginger and stir-fry for about 30 seconds until fragrant. This will form the aromatic base of our dish, infusing the oil with their rich flavors. Next, add the mixed vegetables to the wok and stir-fry for 3 to 4 minutes until tender crisp. The vegetables should retain their vibrant colors and a slight crunch. Push the vegetables to one side of the wok and add the cauliflower rice. This low-carb alternative to traditional rice will soak up all the delicious flavors. Stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes until heated. The cauliflower rice should be tender but not mushy, absorbing the essence of the garlic and ginger. Pour the soy sauce or tamari over the cauliflower rice and toss to combine. This will add a savory depth to our stir-fry, enhancing the overall flavor profile. Drizzle with toasted sesame oil and stir to coat. The toasted sesame oil will give a nutty, rich finish to our dish, making it even more irresistible. If using scrambled eggs or tofu, add them now and heat. These protein options will make the dish more filling and add another layer of texture and flavor. Section 8. Taste Bud Adventures. Customize your creation. Welcome to a culinary journey where your creativity knows no bounds. The beauty of stir-frying lies in its versatility. It's a method that allows you to mix and match ingredients to suit your taste and dietary preferences. Once you've mastered the basic technique, feel free to unleash your creativity and customize your cauliflower rice stir-fry to your liking. The possibilities are endless, and each combination can bring a new flavor experience. Protein powerhouse. Boost the protein content by adding your favorite protein sources. Whether you prefer meat, seafood, or plant-based options, there's something for everyone. Grilled chicken, shrimp, beef, or pork add savory flavors, each bringing its unique taste and texture to the dish. While chickpeas, lentils, or edamame provide a plant-based protein punch. These options are perfect for vegetarians and those looking to reduce their meat intake. Vegetable variety. Experiment with different vegetable combinations to create a rainbow of flavors and textures. The more colorful your dish, the more nutrients it likely contains. Mushrooms, snap peas, bok choy, spinach, and bean sprouts are excellent additions. Each vegetable brings its own unique flavor and texture, making every bite a delightful surprise. Flavor fusion. Explore different flavor profiles by incorporating various sauces and spices. This is where you can truly make the dish your own. Oyster sauce, fish sauce, hoisin sauce, curry powder, chili flakes, and sriracha can add unique dimensions to your stir-fry. Don't be afraid to experiment and find the perfect balance of flavors that suits your palate. Section 9. Join the cauliflower rice movement. Congratulations on embarking on your cauliflower rice stir-fry adventure. This delicious and healthy meal is a testament to how simple ingredients can create extraordinary flavors. As you savor each bite, remember that you've made a mindful choice for your health and well-being. We encourage you to share your culinary creations and experiences with us. Tag us on social media and use #CauliflowerRiceRevolution to join the movement. Let's inspire others to embrace this versatile ingredient and discover its endless possibilities. Stay tuned for more delicious and healthy recipes. Subscribe to They Green channel, the brainchild of Seed Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more culinary inspiration. Happy cooking!